Did you know that exercising as you get older has numerous health benefits? It's true. Today, we delve into the world of fitness, specifically targeting the golden years. We'll explore the importance of exercise and the types of workouts that can help you stay healthy and vibrant. Our first stop is strength training. Strength isn't just for the young and the restless, it's a crucial component for maintaining independence. As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength and mass. However, strength training can combat this. It assists in preserving and enhancing muscle mass, which in turn aids in managing weight and metabolism. Up next, we have balance exercises. These are key to preventing falls, a common concern as we age. Balance exercises can improve stability and coordination, making daily tasks easier and safer. Think of it as your personal insurance policy against trips and falls. Now, let's move on to flexibility and stretching. Regular stretching can help keep your muscles flexible, strong, and healthy. This is essential for maintaining a good range of motion in the joints. Without it, the muscles shorten and become tight, leading to aches, pains, and limited mobility. So consider stretching your path to fluid movement and comfortable living. Finally, we can't forget about cardiovascular or aerobic exercise. This type of exercise is the cornerstone for preventing chronic diseases. Regular cardiovascular exercise helps reduce the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. It also aids in preserving cognitive function. As the heart pumps, blood flow to the brain increases, supporting overall brain health. In summary, exercise isn't just a pastime, it's a necessity, especially as we age. Strength training, balance exercises, flexibility and stretching, and cardiovascular exercise are all key components to maintaining health and independence in our later years. Remember, it's never too late to start. The journey to a healthier you begins with a single step. So, why not take that step today? Thanks for watching, subscribe now.